Hey, this is Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions, and past week we've been out in Silex doing a really slam bang job on this pretty huge excavation project. We had trenching that we did, really rocky areas here, and we dug out for the plumbers and the electricians this main service line. Did all the trenching from here down to about 5 feet, sewer lines, and then we did this trench all the way up to that cabin house. And this was all dug out here. We've backfilled it. And then we had kind of a challenging aspect of the job, and sorry we didn't get a bunch of video or photos all the way through, but they put in this grinder, which is essentially like where the septic tank is, but it grinds everything up, and then it's under pressure and it pushes the waste out to the street. And so we did that, and then we did a culvert pipe under the road that had to go beneath the actual depth of the electric and utilities and sewer and so forth. So it was a really deep pipe, and we built this little catch basin right here on the other side, and then bermed all this up to get the runoff and everything. So once again, this is Matt from Sovereign Excavation Construction Solutions. What solution can we bring to you? Give us a call at 314-308-7161. Check us out on the web, www.sovereignexcavation.com. Thank you.